From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley with today's Cash Close. You know what we're going to call this video? We're going to call it Turnaround Tuesday, replaced by Mutual Fund Monday. Wow. Can you believe how they move things around? The high of the day in the S&P came in at 1880.70 right after the open, or early in the day. The low came in at 1865 even late in the day. And last, we're 1860 even. We're down 12.3 handles. Total volume, 1.6 million minis trade and 4.6 thousand big S&Ps trade in the pit. MOC, we had a measly 40 million to buy. The cash close came in at 1869.80. Tomorrow we have the MBA Purchase Applications. We have William Dudley from the Fed speaking. We have the EIA Petroleum status, or the API number. We have Janet Yellen speaking. We have Esther George speaking. We have Narayana, Kocherlakota, or whatever his name is, and the FOMC minutes. Now, look real quick. Am I surprised that the S&P sold off today? We were calling for buying weakness, but to tell you the truth, right after the S&P opened up and it rallied up toward its highs, I put out an instant message into the group saying, look, the S&P's got to go down before it goes back up. Initially, the S&P sold off and then bounced and then took out those lows and traded down to the new lows of the day and then bounced back up late in the day. Now, that's pretty much the pattern of the overall, the way the S&P works overall. Whether it's a little decline or whether it's a big decline, a 50, 60 handle decline, it doesn't matter. Every time the S&P stops, it backs and fills a little bit, and then it goes back up. Now, what we're kind of looking at now is we're looking at the end of the month. There's been very, very little sell in May and walk away. There's been a couple of days where the S&P sold off and looked like it was going to keep going, but yet it bounces back. And that, you know, that really tends to be the theme of the S&P in 2014. I'm going to leave it like that. I'll see you tomorrow morning on the opening print.